Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain solution of a linear equation. Okay. So, dear children, as you know, what is a solution of linear equation? Okay. The word solution means a value which satisfy the equation of inequality. Okay. A value will satisfy the given equation is called solution of the given linear equation. So, dear children, as we seen in earlier classes, a linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Okay, a linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Okay, unique solution. Unique solution means only one value will satisfy the given equation. Okay. For example, take any linear equation in one variable 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So here only one value of x which is 2 means 2 into 2 minus 4 equal to 0. This is 2 into 4 equal to 0 or 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0. So, unique solution means only one value of the equation is satisfied. Okay. So, can you say about a linear equation involving two variables? Which type of solution can have? Okay. Okay. So, any linear equation in two variable have infinitely many solution. Okay, have infinitely many solution. Okay, any linear equation in two variable have infinitely many solution. Okay, this is remember that. Okay, if you take x plus y equal to 2, then there are many pairs value of x and y will satisfy the given linear equation in two variable. Okay, suppose this is 2, so here taking x equal to 2, 3 and y equal to minus 1, then 3 minus 1 equal to 2 equal to 2. Again taking x equal to minus 1, y equal to x equal to 1, y equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So in this way we have to see there are many pair of value of x and y will satisfy the given equation, means linear equation in two variable. Okay, so this is clear that a linear equation in one variable has unique solution, but a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Okay. Now I am going to solve exercise 4.2. This is based on solution of a linear equation. Okay, solution of a linear equation. Exercise 4.2. Okay, exercise 4.2. Okay, the first question of exercise 4.2 is, which one of the following option is true? Which one of the following which one of the following option is true? Option is true, and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5x. First is a unique solution. Second, only two solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And third is infinitely many solutions. Okay, so in this question we have to choose the correct option, which is true, and why. And a equation given, y equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, so by observing the equation we have to choose the correct option. So here equation is linear equation in two variable. So I have recently explained a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so therefore option number 3 is correct. Okay, because a linear equation y equal to 3x plus 5 has two variables. Clear? And next question number second. Write four solution of the following equation. Write four solutions for each of the following equation. For each of the following equation. Okay, write four solution for each of the following equation. The first part, 2x plus y equal to 7. 2x plus y equal to 7. Okay, write four solution of each of the following equation. The first is 2x plus y equal to 7. So the given expression, express y in term of x. So above become y equal to 2x minus 7. Okay, now taking any four different value of x, so we get the corresponding value of y. For x equal to 1, y equal to 2 into 1 minus 7 equal to minus 5. Okay. For x equal to 2, y equal to 2 into 2 minus 7, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 7 minus 3. For x equal to 3, y equal to 2 into 3 minus 7, 2 into 3 6 minus 7 equal to minus 1. And for x equal to 4, y equal to 2 into 4 minus 7, 4 to the 8 minus 7 is 1. Thus the required for solution is 1 comma minus 5, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1. Okay. Next, second, pi x plus y, pi x plus y equal to 9. So above equation can be written as y equal to 9 minus pi x. And now taking again 4 different value of x and corresponding get the value of y. So for x equal to 1, y equal to 9 minus pi. For x equal to 2, y equal to 9 minus 2 pi. For x equal to 3, to get y equal to 9 minus 3 pi. And x equal to 4, y equal to 9 minus 4 pi. Thus the required four solution are 1 minus 9 minus pi, 2 9 minus 2 pi, 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi, 4 comma 9 minus 4 pi. Thus the required solution of pi x plus y equal to 9. And third is x equal to 4y. X equal to 4y. X equal to 4y. And this is written as y equal to x by 4. And now taking x equal to 1, then y become 1 by 4. For x equal to 2, y equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. For x equal to 3, the value of y is 3 by 4. For x equal to 4, the value of y equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. Thus the required for solution is 1 minus 1 by 4, 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 comma 3 by 4. Sorry, not minus. 3 comma 3 by 4 and next 4 comma 1. Okay. Now move to the question number 3. In question number 3, it has been said that check which of the following are solution. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation. Are solutions of the equations x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not the points are 0, 2. This is 0, 2. Second 2, 0. Third 4, 0. Fourth under root 2, 4 under root 2. Fifth is 1, 1. So we have to show which is solution. Okay, which is solution of equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So let us substitute the value of x and y in this expression. So here x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Now substituting, so 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay. So 0 minus 4 equal to 4. So minus 4 equal to 4. Okay. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not solution. Next, x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So this is 2 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4. So 2 not equal to 4. Again, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, 2, 0 is not solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Next 4, 0. So x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Now substituting here. So this is 4 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4. We have seen LHS part is equal to RHS part. So therefore 4, 0 is solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Next here x is under root 2. So under root 2 minus 4 to the 8 under root 2 equal to 4. This is minus 7 under root 2 equal to 4. This is LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore this is also not solution. Next 1, 1. So 1 minus 2 into 1 equal to 4. This is minus 1 equal to 4. This minus 1 not equal to 4. Again 1, 1 is not solution. So here we have to verify that 4, 0 only required solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Next question number 4. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Find the value of k. This is last question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1. If x equal to 2, y, 1 is a solution of the equation is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 2x plus 3y equal to k. Okay. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. So substituting the value of x and y in this expression, so this become 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. So this is 4 plus 3 equal to k, and this implies the value of k equal to 7. Okay, so the required value of k equal to 7. So this is solution of exercise 4.1.